Just got your first salary? Congratulations! But wait, are you making some of the biggest financial mistakes right from day one? Today, I'm going to reveal what most people get wrong with their first paycheck and how you can avoid these traps to secure your financial future. Your first salary feels amazing. It's proof that all those late-night studies finally paid off. But here's the problem. Most people treat it like free money. They splurge on gadgets, dinners, or parties. Overspending now can lead to long-term financial stress. The first mistake is simple but costly: spending your entire salary immediately. Many graduates want to celebrate their hard work, and that's understandable. But imagine, your first salary disappears in a week, and suddenly you have no emergency fund. Here's what to do. The 50-30-20 rule is your best friend. Allocate 50% for essentials, 30% for fun, and 20% for savings. Even if it's your first paycheck, saving early builds a habit for life. Mistake number 2 is ignoring taxes. Many first jobbers don't check how much tax is deducted or how to claim deductions. This can lead to overpaying or penalties later. Make it a habit to understand your country's tax rules. Even a 10 to 15-minute check online or quick consultation can save hundreds. Next, not budgeting is a common mistake. Without a clear plan, it's easy to overspend on small things like coffee or apps. By the end of the month, your salary is gone. Create a simple monthly budget. Track income, fixed expenses, and savings. You don't need complicated spreadsheets. Apps like Mint can help. Mistake 4 is lifestyle inflation. Just because you earned more doesn't mean you need to upgrade everything. Many first jobbers do this and regret it within months. Keep your core lifestyle the same, but increase savings and investments. Mistake 5 is skipping an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable. Medical bills, urgent travel, or sudden expenses can hit anyone. Start small. Even $50 to $100 from your first salary sets the foundation. Gradually increase it every month. Mistake 6 is trying to get rich quickly. Many first jobbers invest without research, following trends blindly. This can destroy your savings before you even realize it. Start with low-risk investments, learn slowly, always research. Remember, wealth is built over time, not overnight. To recap, the biggest mistakes with your first salary are 1. Spending it all at once, 2. Ignoring taxes, 3. Not budgeting, 4. Lifestyle inflation, 5. Skipping an emergency fund, 6. Impulse investing. Your first salary is more than just a reward. It's the start of your financial journey. Avoid these mistakes, start smart habits early, and your future self will thank you. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment which mistake you've been guilty of. Let's learn together.
Hey everyone, welcome! It's great to see you all here today.